Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. As a service provider, one thing that's very embarrassing is when my stomach starts growling while giving massage. If I were a client, I would think, if she's hungry, can she do a good job? No matter what I eat or how much I eat, my stomach starts making noise after about 3 hours. So if I have massages back to back to back to back, my stomach is guaranteed to make noise. This week I'm going to show you the acupressure points to stop the stomach from growling. The point is on the little flap in front of the ear. This is called hunger point. Just pinch the point with your thumb and index fingertips as you breathe deeply. Since this point controls appetite and gets rid of the hungry sensation, it's a good point for dieting. You need to press this point at least few minutes before your stomach makes noise. It takes some time for the effect to kick in. If your stomach is ready to growl, it's too late to press this point. Also, it doesn't last for a long time, so you may have to keep coming back to press this point again. At least that's how I feel from my experience. By the way, if you are the client and if your stomach starts growling while receiving massage, don't worry about it. It's very common to hear the stomach being activated when I'm working on the front side of the leg, where the stomach meridian runs. Your body is reacting naturally, so don't worry and just enjoy the massage. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.